What's up everybody? My name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi 18V brushless belt sander. Model number on this guy is P450. It does come with a bag that just tensions on like so. And then the battery will go right here, which we'll show you in a moment. It also does have a lever right here that will take the tension off that front wheel, so you can either take a belt off or put it on, excuse me, like so. And then when you push that back in place, it's going to put the tension back onto that belt there. Put it down a little further. And then it also will have a little adjustment here. That way, if the belt starts walking this way or this way, you can adjust this and straighten it out before you start sanding. It also does have an adjustable knob up here for the front, so you can kind of set it where it's comfortable for you. And also you can lock the trigger. So if you pull the trigger and you push this little thing here on the side, it's going to lock it. That way, if you want it to just run while you sand, or if you want to race your buddies, you can use that little button and it'll be locked on. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in it, show you how to straighten out that belt like we had talked about, and then we will go ahead and demo this guy, and we might even race it against nothing since I don't have another one, but send it on a little trip. So now that we got that straightened out, we're going to go ahead and take a surface off of this, guys. And just to show you actually a good demo of it, that's the piece of wood before, and now we're going to take off the surface. And I'll show it to you again. And these things are pretty quick and aggressive because the sheet's actually moving, so. Alright guys, so there you see, a little bit different. Took that entire surface off really fast, so really cool tool, guys. Again, for taking off a lot of material, they're more than good. If anybody has any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to let us know in the comments section below. By the way, if you have not already, please do subscribe. We are giving this entire DeWalt drill kit away to a subscriber at the end of March, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Also, boop the like buttons, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Take care.